How to deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now here you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section Account Center. Now click on the option Personal Details. Click on the option Account Ownership and Control. Navigate to the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Facebook username. Select the option Deactivate Account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. Select Deactivate Account and click on Continue. Click on Continue again. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you type in that, click on Continue. Now here you will need to give a reason why do you want to deactivate your account. Select any of the reason and click on Continue. Now click on this drop down, Automatically reactivate your account. You can select any of the option, but I'm gonna select Don't reactivate automatically. Click on Done and click on Continue. Now click on Deactivate my account. With that, your account will be deactivated. After completion of 30 days of deactivation, your account will be permanently deleted. So before completion of 30 days, you'll need to reactivate your account. And that's it. This way you can easily deactivate Facebook account. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.